Today, I'll show you exactly how to permanently delete your WordPress website and start fresh, even in 2025 with all the latest WordPress.com updates. If you're ready for a clean slate, whether you want to rebrand, rebuild, or just clear the deck, by the end of this video you'll know the safest, most straightforward way to erase your site from WordPress.com. Let's get started together step by step. First thing you'll want to do is head to your WordPress dashboard. If you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard page. From here, look to the left-hand side and click on Settings. That's the little gear icon. Now, in the past, WordPress has made a few tweaks to their interface, so if things look a bit different, don't worry. The core features are all still there. Within Settings, you'll want to select General. This is where WordPress keeps a lot of the critical basic controls for your site. Now, once you're on the General Settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. It's easy to miss, so take your time and scroll slowly. Near the end of the page, you'll see a section with some advanced controls. Here you should see a link that says Manage Gift Subscriptions, Ownership, and Other Site Tools on WordPress.com. Sometimes it might look a little long, but just look for the phrase Site Tools. Go ahead and click that link. This will open a new set of options all about your site's management and ownership. It's like the central control room for your WordPress site. Once you're in these site management tools, you'll see the option to delete your site. WordPress doesn't put this button front and center, so you'll probably have to look out for it, but it should appear as Delete Site among the tools. Take a moment here. Deleting a site is a big step. Make sure you've downloaded anything you want to save, like posts or images, because once it's gone, there's no undo button. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and click Delete Site. At this point, WordPress wants to confirm you're really certain about deleting your site. They do this by asking you to type in your site's domain name. This is kind of like double-checking your keys before you lock up. So carefully type in your site's address. This step is meant to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. It's a bit like confirming you want to throw something out, but WordPress takes it seriously because this removal is permanent. Double-check what you've entered, and if you're ready, it's time for the last click. Hit Delete Site. This might take a few moments as WordPress finalizes the process, so don't worry if there's a little delay, just wait for confirmation. After this, your website and all of its content will be permanently deleted from your WordPress.com account. You'll get a notification letting you know the process is complete. And that's it. You've now cleared out your WordPress site and are ready for a brand new start. Sometimes, wiping the slate clean is the best way to bring your creative ideas to life, and now you know exactly how to do it safely and confidently using the latest WordPress.com tools. If this walkthrough helped you, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or you ran into a snag anywhere along the way, just drop a comment down below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck starting your new site.